Sometimes police lights don't just stop a vehicle, they stop a life in motion. This looks like a routine traffic stop.
What's up, man?
Hey, man.
Everything all right?
Yeah, I'm just trying to find the trail here for one people.
Okay. Where's your plate?
It got ripped off the other day.
Okay. Do you have any registration or anything? ID?
Not on me, no.
Okay. Anything for the vehicle? Or doing anything? I need to check it.
Why?
I need something with the vehicle.
Did I break the law or something?
I'm checking on you, make sure you're okay. You're pulled over the side of the road. Hold on, man.
All right. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you right now. I don't have any of that stuff.
Okay.
I can just stay parked here.
No, okay.
A white GMC truck is parked on the side of the road. No license plate, no visible registration.
Give me a second. You look up now. You don't have the 10 tag or anything? Wasatch and Bengal. I'm out on a white GMC truck, lifted, no plates, don't need that. I need some sort of identification of who you are, please.
Identification.
Yeah, I need your license. This is an official traffic stop now. I came to check on you. You've got no plate. You're on the road. The tires are bald. You've got no wheel fenders. And now you're refusing to give me information, which is weird.
I'm not refusing. I just
So to answer your question, yes, you did break some laws.
What law?
You don't have a traffic or license.
I'm not driving. I'm pulled over.
Okay. Who are you, sir?
My name is Michael
Michael what?
Smith.
I'm not here to ruin you. Not here to ruin your weekend. Michael Smith, M-I-C-A-H?
M-I-C-A-H.
Okay, date of birth, please.
So, okay, can I just tell you everything?
Will you shut the vehicle off for me?
Yeah.
So I don't have to worry about you driving off?
I'm gonna drive off. I do have a firearm.
Okay, appreciate that.
Yeah.
Keep your hands away from me. I'll keep my hands off mine.
It's alright.
Everyone in Utah does.
Now the situation changes. The vehicle is on the roadway. The tires are bald. It's raining. And this is no longer just a paperwork issue.
Yeah, everyone does. I just wanted to
I appreciate that.
yeah, I'm just going to hide, man. I'm going through a really hard time. Can't even believe. My wife's cheating on me. She didn't come home till 7 o'clock. I have 3 kids.
Firearms not to go under, is it? Or him? You're not going to take care of Sancho or anything?
I'm hiking up to the top of the mountain, man.
Today?
Today.
You know it's snowing up there, right?
I know.
Oh, really?
I look forward to that.
You going to kill yourself or?
No way, man. No way.
I'm just making sure these are
I got
things that
too
we
much-
deal with.
Yeah, no, I got too much to live with, man.
Okay, I'm happy to hear.
I'm going through a very crazy hard time.
And I'm not here to ruin it for you. Michael Smith.
The driver says, "You're ruining me." For him, this isn't just a citation. He's self-employed going through a divorce. He has 3
I
children.
have that's what I have to do.
Yeah, that's my partner.
I'm joining the Air Force soon, so I don't.
Okay, do you have registration and insurance on the vehicle? No insurance, no registration? No, why are you driving it, man?
I normally drive my motorcycle, but today it's raining.
Understood for that. All right, give me a second. Hang tight. Where's your firearm? Don't reach for it. Go ahead. Don't reach for it. Do not. Okay. For your safety and mine, I'd like to retrieve it.
I just got it back, bro.
Hold on. I'm not taking it away from you, but I'm gonna have you stand right here while I retrieve it. Okay? Please exit the vehicle. Stand right here. Do not grab for it. Hey!
Right there. Right there.
Listen, man. Right there. Just stay right there. Don't move. Any other weapons in the car?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to have you stand in front of my car until we figure this out. Hey, man.
We've got an axe.
So all things that we would have to be worried about, right?
Yeah.
For on a normal stop for safety.
I wasn't expecting that.
I wasn't expecting either. I was stopping to help because you're over here on the side of the road like you're stranded. Same with the Rivian that I stopped behind. But then when I came over and saw you, I'm like, I'll check on him, see if he needs help. That's why we got to this. So give me a second.
Is it your truck?
Yeah, that's mine. Well, not really. Is anything ours?
Are you the registered owner of it?
I am. Kind of. Honestly, I was just going on a hike because I'm going through a lot of personal things. And now it's like it's now 10 times worse now. As you guys are doing.
What's going on?
What's going on? A lot of personal.
Yes.
My marriage is ending in 13 years.
Oh, that sucks. I'm sorry, dude.
Worse than you can imagine.
You got somebody to talk to?
I got staying with my brother right now.
Okay, I'm going to ask you a serious question. You want to hurt yourself?
Do I want to hurt myself? No, I want to hike until I can't hike no more, though. I want to get to the top.
You going to do that on a rainy day like this?
It's the best time to do it.
It's dangerous.
It's wet if you're not skilled.
Muddy, slippery.
I'm a ninja, brother.
You're a ninja?
I'm a ninja.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Maybe you are a ninja. But
A
I
ninja
don't
could
know
be-
that that's the best thing to be doing today.
Might not be, but I've been wanting to go on this hike for 5 years.
Where are you going to go hike?
One peak. I need the mental clarity. I need to go up there, man.
How would you say, or what would you say if I said I was concerned about you, though?
So, thank you, brother. I appreciate that.
And I would rather you not do that today.
I'd say, well, my brother Jeremiah said the same thing. First thing I'll do is get in my truck and drive there. And if I feel like hiking, then I'll see how far I hike. If I get to the top, I get to the top.
Today you're not getting to the top. I'm telling you now, with the weather, you don't have the gear in the truck for it.
Dude,
You might be a badass, but
Well, I'll tell you what, man. I've hiked barefoot, avalanche area, for miles and miles, with nothing but
okay.
my dog.
All right.
So what's gonna happen here?
We got several issues. Okay. It's not insured, but you told me. No plate. You've also got your tires are bald. That's not going to help with the snow up there. They've been having problems with the snow at the top of the mountain. Okay? You don't have the wheel flares for that, which is a safety issue for other people on the road.
Okay.
You got several things going on.
So how can we make this go well?
You can't have this thing on the road. So give me a second. Hang out with my partner. All right? I'm going to chat with him real quick. Hey, Mario, there's 2 guns and an axe in the vehicle. Okay? He's not going to be inside the vehicle right now.
What do we want to do here? How do we want to hurt me?
We don't want to hurt you. So,
How-
hold on.
what can we do?
Give me a second. All right? I'm not here to ruin you. So I'm going to preface all of this with, if at any time you cause any problems, you're going to meet my dog, Mikey. And you've got 3 of us.
Okay.
We don't want this to go this way. You want to go to the Air Force.
Yes, I do.
You want to stay off
I need
probation.
to. Yep.
All this stuff.
Yeah.
We're not here to ruin that. However, you don't have insurance, registration, or license.
Okay.
Your car's getting impounded.
But when you found me, I wasn't riding it.
You were on the road, sir.
Right there.
I'm not going to argue this with you. This is what court is for. And if you feel it's unjust, you can certainly explain this to a court.
Yeah.
Okay? We're not going to have this on the roadside, or at least I'm not going to participate in it. I'm not trying to ruin you, but I have a job to do.
So you're gonna leave me on the side of the street with all my shit?
We'll happily get you somewhere if we need to. We can try to help. All right? But your
So
car's
you're
being impounded.
You're impounding my truck.
Yes. All right, you got money in there. I'm happy to grab that in your wallet. But for our safety and yours, we're not going to have you go back in there just because you have an axe, an AR, your handgun.
I got all my tools in there I need.
So
this is how much is it going to be to get it out of impound? What's that going to take?
You're going to have to get your license and insurance and registration. You got to get all that fixed.
You said you weren't going to ruin me. That ruins me.
Okay.
Brother,
I'm not taking you to jail.
I know, but that's beside. This is worse almost. This is almost worse.
Okay.
I don't know why you had to help me. Like this, I was minding my own business.
I'm going to try to hurry and facilitate this.
Okay.
All right. For your safety, nurse, please stay out of the vehicle. Do you have a jacket in there?
I do.
May I get that for you?
Can I get my phone? Can I get all my stuff?
I will grab your stuff for you, or one of us will help you do that. You are not going back in.
I would like my weapons.
No.
So you're going to take my weapons?
Honey, you just told me that. Okay. Again, for your safety,
you have no right to take my arms. Those are mine. You have yours. I have mine. You're not taking my guns.
And you're going hiking after a divorce.
Well, now I'm not going hiking. Now I have to get home.
I'm going to let you handle this one.
Okay, I'm being straight with you, dude. I don't think you're in any condition to be walking around with a gun.
Who are you to tell me that? I don't think you are. I don't think you have any right to take my guns if I haven't broken any
And you're right.
laws.
You're right. If you're absolutely adamant, you're going to have your guns.
Okay.
But I would rather not give you the guns and have you hurt yourself.
I'm not going to hurt myself. I'm not. I promise you, to God, my children, I am not going to hurt you. I'm not going to hurt
Do you have
anyone.
somebody that can come and get you?
Yes, I do. I can call many people to come get me.
Who can you call to come and get you?
I can call my brother.
Is he close?
No.
Where's? That's close. Okay, so you want a jacket and your phone.
I want my backpack.
Let's start with your jacket and your phone for right now.
And my
okay?
cash.
We're going to get everything out of your car.
Okay,
but first and foremost, let's find someplace. Well, let's get you in a warm, or a jacket so you stay warm, and a phone call so you can get somebody to come in to get you.
And the rest of the stuff you get when the tow gets here.
Yeah. We'll get you your stuff. I got no problem giving you your stuff. I just want to make sure that you're safe and you're warm and we got someplace comfortable for you to be.
This isn't right, man.
Sorry.
It's literally written in the law that we have to tow it if it has no insurance. It's on the road.
But
it's literally the law. We don't have a choice.
I don't understand the laws, and you. I'm sure. I hope you do. I hope you do.
I would.
But I don't see how you can stop me and identify me if I haven't committed a crime. There's no reasonable articulation of a crime or
it's a
law being
violation.
broken.
It is a violation of the law for the car to be on the road without insurance and without registration.
You wouldn't have known that.
It's on the road.
There's no license
But you
plate
would.
on this
I know,
car.
but you wouldn't have known that.
But it's on the road, right? Was the car on the road when he approached you?
It was right here.
Yeah, right where it's at, right? It's on the road. So I'm going to get your jacket and your phone, okay? Where's your phone, boss?
It's in a couple of Can't sell the truck. So you can tell me advice. I don't need it. I don't need your advice.
Call your brother. Call your brother.
I see what you're trying to do. I appreciate that. You're coming from a good place, but I don't need it. Long story short, they're helping my truck away from me. I just need a ride. I need to get all my stuff out of the truck.
Do you know where
Appreciate you. Thank you.
Okay, that's good. One problem solved.
So he's got the weapons.
We'll give him to you once your friend gets here.
Can I start removing my things?
You want to take it out before he gets here and to move it twice, or you want to wait for him to get here?
He'll be here pretty quick, man. I think we'll just wait.
I mean, I don't care. It's up to you.
Is that everything? Good. Sorry, man. So as soon as he's up, we'll load the guns in the truck somewhere. Just with everything he's going through, I can't tell you not to give him to him, but we got to be safe and smart about it. I don't think he's in a good mental state, and he may be calming down. But we're not trying to ruin him, I promise. I really appreciate you coming to get him. I don't have a choice. I don't have a choice on the truck. If it has no choice, I have to.
Hey, thank you guys.
We got a couple things we got to finish up.
Okay.
Paperwork. Let's go do that out of the room. If you want to get in his truck.
Yeah, this one?
No, you're his. Don't open my door. Mikey will go nuts on you. You don't look the type that's afraid of dogs, but
I have my own dog.
no point in messing with this one if you don't have to. I'm trying to keep this out of the rain, so the sooner we get in here.
If you're struggling, asking for help is not weakness. Staying alive is the most important thing of all.